In order for the browser container to work on the site, it must be connected to the site. There are two connection options. The first option is suitable for any site is to place the first GTM code in the head of the site, and place the second GTM code in the body of the site. I show an example of how to do this on the ClickFunnels.com constructor. It is also suitable for sites made on Webflow and others. Both parts of the code are important. The first part is the main part, and the second part is optional. It works if the site does not support JavaScript. Be sure to save your changes after pasting the code. The second installation option on a site. This is inserting the GTM ID into a special field that was made by the developer of the site builder or other CMS. Now I am showing you how to do it on the Tilde platform. This method is also suitable for sites made on the Wix platform. There are a lot of platforms for creating websites, but the principle of operation is the same for all. Be careful. Be sure to save all changes on the site and publish all pages if you have such functionality as the Webflow and Tilde platforms.